Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Learn to speak English in washroom. Learning English in the washroom or restroom/bathroom, depending on region, might seem unusual, but it's a place where you encounter specific vocabulary and actions. Here are sentences you can use, focusing on common objects, actions, and polite requests related to this space. I need to wash my hands. The sink is right here. Could you pass me the soap, please? Here you go. Or it's right next to you. Where's the hand dryer? Or, are there any paper towels? The hand dryer is over there. Or yes, the paper towels are by the sink. I need to use the toilet. Or I need to use the restroom. Okay, I'll wait outside. Please flush the toilet. Or don't forget to flush. Oh, sorry. I'll do it now. Or yes, I did. Is this restroom occupied? No, it's free. Please lock the door. Okay, locked. Could you please turn off the light when you leave? Of course, I will. The toilet paper roll is empty. I have an extra roll here. The faucet is dripping. Oh, thanks for letting me know. I'll get that fixed. This washroom needs cleaning. I know, I'll call maintenance. We have any more toilet paper? Yes, there's a spare roll under the sink. Or, no, I think we're out. Did you wash your hands? Yes, I did. Or, oh, not yet. I'm going to now. Is the water hot? Yes, it's very hot. No, it's a bit cold. Can you get me a fresh roll of toilet paper? No, I'm putting my makeup on in front of the mirror. The waste bin is full. I will do care of that. Someone forgot to replace the toilet paper. I'm just brushing my teeth. I need to comb my hair. Is there any more soap? Let me check. Yes, there's a new dispenser here. Or no, it's empty. Remember, practicing these phrases and gestures will make you more confident in everyday situations. Where else might you encounter specific English phrases and gestures? That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.